Alright, today we're going to try smoking some chickens. Our first one, just take a little look there at the chicken, is going to be olive oil and soy sauce. And the second one is going to be mustard and some of this Weber roasted garlic and herb that's supposed to be specifically for chicken, pork, and seafood. We've never done chickens before. We've always done ribs and brisket, and we did a ham. So this will be our first experience with chickens. Hopefully it'll turn out really yummy. Alright, I have cleaned the chickens, washed them up, made sure that there's no yucky in them. Nothing that we wouldn't want to get smoked up. Got my supply of rubber gloves so that I can put all the goodies on them without contaminating my hands. And just for good measure, a ginormous bottle of hand sanitizer from Sam's Club. Alright, I got a chimney here, about half full of charcoal. And I'm going to light it and get that started. Why are you helping?
Why?
Yeah? You gonna help smoke? No?
Daddy. Why?
Yeah. I don't think the dogs want to eat that any more than you do.
That's enough, Wyatt.
I think
to the lid.
Alright, we got both chickens on there. They're gonna smoke for about 4 hours, we think. Since this is the first time we've done them, we'll find out.
We're over 165 on this breast here, 160. Wish I'd tell what that is. One 170 something in that side. Over 160 there. Should we pull them? I think we should. I think we're good. 162, it's going up.
Alright. It has been 4 hours. And we just took them off the smoker. This is the one that was the soy sauce and olive oil. And this one was the garlic and herb seasoning with the mustard rub. So now we're going to let them sit for a little bit. Let those juices get all soaky and and let them rest, and then when they're ready, we're going to numb them on them. Hopefully Brian will be home before we eat it all. Okay, as you can see, we've been munching away on the chicken here. It was really, really good. Really super moist. I think the only thing I would do different next time is maybe not rush it so much. We just kind of threw everything on it really quick and then threw it on the smoker. When we do ribs and brisket and stuff, we usually we will put the stuff on it and let it kind of marinate overnight and then cook it the next day. So I'm thinking next time that's what we'll do with the chickens. Let them marinate overnight and then smoke them. Because the skin, there was tons of flavor in that, but the meat, while really super moist, was not quite as flavorful as we would have liked it to have been. So I'm going to pack this all up, put it in the fridge, save it for leftovers, and try a few different things next time.